Hi everyone, this is Donna from Hollywood, California. It's not just paint, it's Art by Donna. It's art with heart. Before we begin today, I'd like to thank my wonderful subscribers and my Dollar in a Dream members. Your love and support, your encouragement, keep this little studio shining. You allow me to create, to tell stories, and to share my heart with all of you. And I thank you from the bottom of my heart. In today's video, and this is only part one of a two-part Christmas special, I'm creating 6 Christmas bauble jars, each one in its own color and special message, each one becoming a little story of its own. But before I share the meaning behind these colors that come in a part 2, I want to take you on a special journey today, a fictional, magical Christmas tale inspired by these very baubles, a tale about life, about love and loss, about friendship and timing, about belief and resilience, and the quiet miracles that guide us more than we realize. This is a story about Annod. Annod is the woman of the hidden Hollywood Hills. Far up in the whispering hills of Hollywood. Not the Hollywood of the bright shining lights and red carpets, but the Hollywood hidden behind the winding streets, the ivy-colored fences, and the silent old oaks, lived this woman, and her name was Annod. Her home was small, nestled between 2 towering pepper trees, and from her window she saw hummingbirds darting like emerald jewels across the morning fog. And she was a dreamer and an artist and a believer in signs and symbols, in timing and intuition. And she believed with all her heart that life always holds meaning, even in the smallest moment. A fallen leaf, a found feather, a glimmer of color, a chance encounter, a message heard just at the right time. And above all, she believed that these things always happened for a reason, even if the reason isn't revealed until much later. She had loved deeply and lost deeply. She had held friendships that lasted for decades and friendships that only lasted a season. Some people had become family and some had become memories. Some had become angels. With each of them in their own way, they helped shape her life. One winter evening, as the sun dipped behind the hills and the air filled with that rare Southern California chill, Annod saw something odd. A narrow footpath she had never noticed before. A path dusted with the softest silver light. Something inside her whispered, "Follow it." At the start of the path, she found them, lined up neatly in that bed of covered leaves were jars, and there were 6 of them. 4 were pure white, untouched and unpainted, for someone ready to transform. These are the jars that I will be working with. 2 of the jars were different. One shimmered in glowing gold. The other glowed purple with a soft inner light that seemed to come alive. They were already formed in their colors, like blessings and wisdom arriving pre-written into her life. Annod felt a pull, gentle and certain. She lifted the first jar, and that began her journey. The first jar becomes red with love and warmth. As she picked it up in her studio, she began to paint it. She opened it and she dipped her brush into the crimson red pigment. The moment she touched it, it glowed. Its warmth had been waiting underneath the entire time, and the jar whispered, "Your story begins with love." And Annod felt it. She remembered the arms that held her through hard seasons, the soft laughter shared with friends under twinkling stars, and the warmth of people who showed up when it truly matters. And she also thought of the friendships that had faded because of the chapters that had simply reached their ends. Red reminded her, not everyone we love is meant to stay forever, but everyone we love shapes us forever. Some stay, some go, some return as angels, some guide us beyond sight. She pressed that red jar to her heart. And then she picked up the second jar and started painting it a gentle green. This is the hope and new beginnings. It's like the leaves pushing through the winter frost. The jar whispers, hope returns when you least expect it. And Annod remembered the moments when life felt like it paused, when the phone stopped ringing, when silence sat heavy in the room, when familiar voices faded into memory. But then a new friend arrived, a new dream sparked, a new chapter quietly began without ever realizing it. Green taught her every ending holds the seed of a new beginning. Hope grows slowly, but it grows faithfully. And sometimes the chapter we fear the most becomes the chapter we needed. Walk forward, Hope said. The road is not finished. And then she picked up the next jar and she started to paint it a deep blue, a color that shifts in the winter twilight. Annod painted this jar in faith and winter magic. Watching the blue ripple across the white base, like moonlight across snow, the jar whispered, have faith, especially when you cannot see the path. Blue carried the quiet magic, the glow of Christmas lights on distant balconies, the music of carolers drifting through the cold air, the tenderness that people rediscover in December. Faith is not always grand. Sometimes it's small, a tiny flame in the dark, a whisper in your heart that says, everything will be okay. Blue reminded her, even when the sky feels dark, the stars are still there, waiting for your eyes to adjust. And in that moment, she felt the winter magic settle around her. Then she picked up that last jar in white. Peace and purity. And as I show you this beautiful carousel horse bauble, it's the one that will stay white. Slowly turning it in her hands, it was the one, the most ornate of all, a carousel of tiny horses galloping in quiet circles around the ornament. And she understood immediately, this one was meant to stay pure. The jar whispered, "Be still, return to yourself." White taught her that peace isn't about perfect circumstances. It's about quiet strength inside her soul. Purity isn't about being flawless. It's about remembering who she is beneath the fear, beneath doubt, beneath worry. The carousel reminded her of her childhood, of innocence, of moments when life felt simple and light, and she realized sometimes peace comes not from doing, but from being, not from adding color, but from keeping one sacred space untouched. And those two resin jars, already holding their light, like the ones that already were created in resin. The one in gold are blessings and gratitude, and the purple is wisdom and spiritual light. They required no painting at all, no effort, no transformation, because some gifts arrive complete, timed perfectly when we are finally ready to receive them. Gold whispered, "Blessings surround you, even in disguise." Purple whispered, "Wisdom is the gift you earn from every season you survive." Together, these 6 jars rose like floating lanterns around Annod, a circle of color, meaning, and memory. And she stood beneath them, with the quiet hills of Hollywood beneath her feet. And Annod understood. Every person who stayed, every person who left, every joy, every heartbreak, every moment of stillness, every moment of magic, all of it happens for a reason. And that, my friends, is the Christmas path of Annod. In part 2, we will explore a deeper meaning behind each color, the message these baubles carry, and how they reflect the journey of our own life. If you haven't made a new friend, make a new friend today and say hello to your neighbor if you're in the live chat. And if you'd like a greeting from Hollywood, as you see in that little photo there, message me your address and I'll send you one. Thank you for spending time with me. Thank you for letting me share my story, my art, and my heart. I can't wait to share what goes inside of these baubles and the rest of this story with you. Looking forward to next week. This is Donna from Hollywood, California, signing off today with love, light, peace, harmony, and oneness. Icy Crafty Kids Club will be following me next, the Paper Queen.